guys, happy Monday. So this week we are reading Robin Hood Wins the Sheriff's Golden Arrow. So this week we are doing fiction. I wanted to take a break from doing a nonfiction and let's do something fun. Let's do fiction. And this week the skill we'll be working on is sequencing. So I thought we'd do a change of pace. So let's do our book walk. Now, in this case, this will have illustrations. So this is an English folktale, okay? It is taking place in medieval times. So I'm going to include a PowerPoint, and I have pictures that we'll cover in just a second. So first, let's look at all the illustrations. It kind of gives you an idea of what medieval times looks like, okay? It's going to be about Robin Hood. So this is Robin Hood right here. He actually, his story is he steals from the rich and gives to the poor. Okay, so let's keep going. So I see our first word, cruel. We're going to highlight it. So cruel is when you do something that's not very nice. So it's being ugly. Okay, corrupt. Corrupt means to be bad. It means that you misuse the trust and faith of people. So you take advantage of people. Let's keep going. As you can tell, this is broken up into chapters. This book does have a table of contents, so it is broken up into chapters. Warrant, that means when you have a piece of paper that says you're going to arrest someone. Okay? As we keep going, you can see the different pictures. Camouflage means to blend into your surroundings. Monks. So monks were traders, farmers, or peasants, okay? As we keep going, and I'm pretty sure by context clues, this is Robin Hood blending in, so we'll get to that. The archery festival, so the king, the queen, okay? Paradise, so, birds of paradise is actually a type of bird. Okay, as we keep going, we have, so let's hear the word.
Vie.
Vie. So I'm going to highlight it. So vie. Finally, it was time for the 10 best archers to vie for the prize of the golden arrow. So vie would be to compete. Okay. Scrunched. And remember, if I take away the ed, scrunch, you could find scrunch in the dictionary. You probably wouldn't find scrunch with the ed, but scrunch, okay, is when you make a face, an ugly face, like a sour face, kind of like I know you're up to no good, okay? Shaft, let's highlight the word shaft. Right then, a shaft flew through the window and struck straight into the Venetian roast on the table. So, shaft would be an arrow. Duped is when you get upset and you walk off. Again, here is the glossary of the words. I am going to pause so I can show you the PowerPoint. Okay, guys, so this is the PowerPoint that you'll be getting, and I'm going to embed the video in here. So, legendary thief named Robin Hood, okay? We have, so this is part of our background knowledge. So here are a few images that could help build your background knowledge. The story takes place in medieval times. For a more accurate picture of this time period, I have included pictures of castles, what people's wardrobe looked like, and this is what Robin Hood was infamous for. He was a great archery, okay? No, he's not a fox. I just put the cover of the Walt Disney version because I wanted you to get an idea that he did wear green. He had a hat with a feather. Okay, so this is who he was. This is the clothes they wore, and they lived in castles. Okay, I also included the glossary from the book. So it has all the vocabulary words that we saw, but I went ahead and added it to the PowerPoint so you have access to them. So archers, okay, it tells you the page you would find the word on. It tells you who they are, and it's, okay, so you have archers, bird of paradise, camouflage, corrupt, cruel, duped, monks, quills, scrunched, shaft, vi, warrant. So shaft is the straight wooden part of an arrow. Okay, quills is feathers, especially pointed feathers. So this is what they would call their pen. So you have a regular pen, but it has the long feather coming out of it. Okay, so let's keep going. What we're doing this week in our word work, we are doing synonyms. So you're going to click right here on this video, this link. You will watch a quick video from BrainPop on synonyms and antonyms. If it asks you for a login for BrainPop, this is the login you would use right here. Notes, an antonym is the opposite meaning. A synonym is the same or almost the same meaning of a word. So now let's practice on this page. You are going to put the cursor and you are going to put A for antonym or S for synonym for each one. Okay, guys. Happy Monday. I hope you enjoyed the book walk, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.